So we're down in the shop today, and Tom's transmission from Golfstar TV, his transmission's here, and we're gonna take it apart and we're gonna time lapse it while we do it. And I think I'm gonna clean the parts while my dad and Penn take it out, and
we're getting ready for the season.
Then he'll be ready to do his 45 whatever days for racing. So now we just threw it in the big wash, and D'Angelo's already put it clean, so we're gonna do that, and then probably by, I don't know if he's gonna put it together tonight or tomorrow morning, but otherwise everything looks good in it, and I think it's ready to go.
Need a paper rubber kit, all your gaskets, all your rubber seals. Make sure everything's sealed up. Everything's gonna work properly. Brand new Redline race band. Best holding there is, in my opinion. What else do we need?
Bearings.
Need a couple bushings. New pump bushing. Brand new Durabond, as it gets. I think this is a recipe for another championship, Tom.
So we have to go get Novo, but we're almost done with this, and we're on the bottom side now. It's not that much left, but this is the part where it takes time. So we're either gonna come back later and do it, or he'll do it in the morning while we go to school. But it'll be done pretty soon, and we're gonna put one of our new stickers on it. And the final touches, we're putting on our new Long Motorsports stickers, like the transmission one, and we're putting them on.
We're putting the sticker right now. Okay.
And then we're gonna put another little one right on the whatever.